everyone, I am Dr. John. Today we will talk about synonyms and antonyms and some relative pronouns, which, that, who, and where. So if you are ready, let's get started. Well, so look at the adjectives in these lines. I adore the colors in this painting. There are beautiful light and dark greens and some lovely bright reds. The adjectives here, so beautiful, light, dark greens, lovely, bright. So these are adjectives here. And question, so which are synonyms and which are antonyms here? Well, pay your attention to these lines, bright and light. So they are synonyms, bright and light. Beautiful and lovely, they are synonyms too, beautiful and lovely. But dark and light or dark and bright, so they are antonyms, opposites. Well, synonyms and antonyms. Well, English speakers use synonyms and antonyms because they don't want to repeat words. So pay your attention to this conversation. So what is wrong with this conversation? So I will read this for you. It's a nice day, isn't it? Yes, it's nice. But it wasn't nice. It wasn't very nice yesterday, was it? No, it wasn't nice. Well, if you have paid attention, so they use the same adjective throughout. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Well, now compare this conversation with this one. Well, it's a lovely day, isn't it? Yes, it's beautiful. But it wasn't very nice yesterday, was it? No, it was horrible. So we have some conversations here. We'll complete the conversations with the following synonyms. The synonyms are difficult, frightened, intelligent, unusual, correct, pleased. Well, fill in the gaps with these words. They are synonyms. Well, now let's check your answers. So I will read some of the lines. 1. A. I'm scared of spiders. Well, a lot of people are frightened of big ones. So scared, frightened, they are synonyms. So next, let's check the answer key to see if it's right. Yes, it's correct. So right and correct, they are synonyms too. Well, for example, Tom is a clever boy, isn't he? Yes, he is very intelligent for a 10-year-old. Clever, intelligent, they are synonyms. Well, now let's talk about antonyms. So think of an opposite for each of these adjectives. So we have 8 adjectives here. So please try to find some opposites for each of these adjectives. Well, here are the answers for you. Antonyms: boring, interesting, noisy, quiet, rude, polite, stupid, clever, dirty, clean, miserable, happy, cheerful, slow, quick, fast, cold, hot. Now, work in pairs. Read these lines aloud and agree with them using antonyms. Well, the first one is done for you. I will read the first sentence. So this film is so boring. It isn't very interesting, is it? So read the rest of the lines and agree with them using antonyms. Relative pronouns: which, that, who, where. So relative pronouns, so they are used to join sentences when the second sentence gives us important information. So they tell us which thing or person we are talking about. So which or that so is used for things. Who is used for people. Where for places. So I will read these examples for you. This book is really good. Which book? You gave it to me. Ah, the book which you gave me is really good. Another example. I saw the boy. Which boy? He lives next door. Ah, I saw the boy who lives next door. Boy, who. Book, which or that. So read the rest of the examples, paying attention to the relative pronouns. So we have 6 pairs of sentences here. Try to join the sentences with the correct relative pronoun. So which, that, who, where. Pause the video and do the task, please. Now let's check your answer. So I will read some of the sentences here. So that is the man. He helped me start my car. Let's join. That is the man who helped me start my car. Man, who. That is the restaurant. We ate there last night. Let's join. That's the restaurant where we had dinner last night. Restaurant, where? In the restaurant, where? Okay, read the rest of the sentences paying attention to the pronouns, relative pronouns. So this is the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.